A tricky question that will eventually face anyone who's either going through or has recently been in a Texas divorce is when you should tell others about the breakup. As we're looking at the beginning of the new school year, you may be wondering whether to tell your child's school. Should I tell my child's school about my divorce? In this video, we'll answer that question along with other back-to-school tips for divorcing or divorced parents. Experts say that it's not necessary to jump ahead and tell the school until things are actually in motion. My general advice, however, is to make your child's school aware of the divorce once it's been finalized and a custody order has been put in place. This becomes an even better idea if your custody case was a very contentious one. Making sure the school is aware of the visitation schedule will help ensure the child comes home with the right parent on the right day. However, in some cases, my advice moves beyond "it's a good idea" to a very pointed and urgent admonishment that if you're involved in a case with a finding of family violence and a protective order, it's absolutely necessary to inform the school of the existence of that order. The school needs to know who and who does not have access to your child. Fortunately, most schools are very aware of their responsibilities and keep your child safe. Bringing them a certified copy of your protective order is an excellent way to ensure that they do their job by clarifying their duties as it relates to your child. Fortunately, most cases don't require that amount of vigilance. There are certain conservator rights that are usually granted to both parents in the bulk of all cases, although a Texas court may limit them if it's warranted for some reason. Many of these relate to schools. Unless the court specifically orders otherwise, under 153.073 of the Texas Family Code, both parents have the right to receive educational information about their child and to have access to their child's school records. Each parent can independently consult with the school officials about their child's educational and extracurricular activities, and each parent can attend school activities, and each parent has the right to be notified by the school in the case of an emergency. If you have a standard custody order in Texas, or if you anticipate no reason the court would limit those educational rights in your pending divorce or custody suit, then it's probably a good idea to let the school know what's going on. If the school knows you're living apart, they can take necessary steps such as sending home 2 copies of report cards, discipline reports, and the like. This will keep both parents in the loop and avoid any potential conflicts. And avoiding conflict will always save you emotional stress, time, and potentially litigation costs. I hope this video has been helpful, and please drive safe and watch those little kids on the road. If you have any questions about how your divorce can affect your child's educational rights or your rights, or if you need any assistance at all, please reach out to us at mydivorcefirm.com. Thanks for watching. I'm Sean Palmer with the Palmer Law Firm, where we can't protect your heart, but we can protect your rights.